These are what I'm going to be using for the cook. They're two 1.5 pound slabs of pork belly from my local Asian market. You really want to find ones that have a good amount of meat because pork bellies are usually loaded with fat. It's already been done, but you want to take a knife and slash the meat side of the pork to allow the rub to penetrate throughout the meat. This is the rub I'll be using to season the pork. Ingredients and amounts will be in the description below. After rubbing the pork very well, transfer them to racks on a sheet tray to be cooked in the Anova oven at 165 degrees with 100% steam for 24 hours. A minimum of 12 hours will work as well. After they finish cooking, pat them completely dry, paying close attention to the skin. Using a sharp object like this meat jacquard, you want to poke a lot of holes in the skin. This is crucial to getting it super crispy. After poking, pat the extra moisture dry. With a sheet of aluminum foil, you want to create a little boat surrounding the pork. Using a coarse salt, not fine salt, spread it evenly over the skin. This step is also very crucial. After doing this to both bellies, place them in your fridge uncovered for at least 8 hours or even better, overnight. After the time's up, remove the foil bowl and pat the salt layer off. Again with the sharp object, puncture the skin even more, then wipe off excess moisture. The next step is to create more foil boats and evenly spread baking powder across the skin just like this. Preheat your Anova to 425 degrees Fahrenheit with the top and rear elements with 0% steam. Alright y'all, I know y'all saw it before, but I just gotta do it again so y'all can hear that this came out pretty darn well. Alright, I'm gonna let these cool for just a little bit and then we'll slice it up and I'll give y'all a taste test. Stay tuned. Alright, time to get y'all that cut and taste test. I'm pretty excited, very excited. These came out real nice. But let's see how the cook is. Since we scored it earlier on the meat side, it'll be easier to cut. So ooh. Yeah. Looks pretty good. Slice it open. Oh. Kind of bad cut, but let's see. I'm gonna get y'all to hear it. Oh yeah, that's good. Tender, juicy, very crispy skin, very happy. Yeah, I hope y'all give this a try. I would definitely will be doing this again. 100% recommend. But if y'all like this, give it a subscribe, a like, share, and all that good stuff. Happy living. Peace.